Get
Oh,
out.
health
you hear me?
inspector? I think you need to inspect this. There's
Ah.
blood. Yeah, I can hear.
I'm gonna
What
inspect
the fuck
this.
is wrong with
That's-
you, bro?
All right, I'm
You know what?
inspecting.
No,
That's
it's only
not
fair.
blood.
Stab one stab. Stab one stab.
Yeah, give me 2K, bro.
There, now it's fair.
Uh,
I'm gonna give you $50
How
as
do
you get
compensation.
the knife?
There's OSHA violations
Give
all
me,
over the
hey,
place.
just,
What kind of business
hey,
is
you
this?
Just give me like 500 more, and I'll.
Actually, how do I give a
make a
specific
deal with
person
you.
money? I forgot how to do that.
gun
There's no
store.
guns.
Did you want a gun or?
This
You
is a
just,
false
you want a knife?
business.
Oh, I got
like
you, bro, I got
stand
you.
in front of them and
There's
then
no guns in
fucking.
here.
Dude,
Yeah.
look in the.
There's
bro, take
mold
this
all
one.
over these walls.
Literally take $500 and I'll make that work. Cause you already gave me like
Oh.
400.
Can you hear me?
That's the best I can do.
Can you hear
How do
me?
I equip it?
The guns.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'll give you
1,500,
$1,000
but-
to shut up.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Dude, I'm not a gun dealer.
You just said this was a gun
Yes.
store?
Talk to Oh my god. Dude,
Can I
Go
buy a
over
gun?
there.
Can you sell me one?
come. No,
Why
Uh,
not?
dude, come with. Come with.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you sell me a gun?
I'm not a gun. I'm not a gun dealer.
Can I buy a gun?
I want a rage quit.
Why? Who sells the guns? Can you show me, please?
Oh, come with me.
Okay.
You're gay.
Bro, I'm tripping.
No, I'm just playing. I need some guns too, bro.
Door is shit, no.
Can I buy a gun?
No.
Can I buy a gun?
Yeah, come over here, dog.
Let me out.
What you need?
Where'd that guy go?
What you need?
What kinds of guns do you
Nice.
sell?
I would like a
That was
handgun
the,
for
probably the worst
self-defense,
raid
man.
attempt I've ever seen in my goddamn
A
life.
handgun, give me about 800 and I give you an HK.
Oh, sick.
Alright, McLovin, let's go set up a gun store.
Prop block,
I'm the health inspector.
block.
I need to inspect. Why'd you kill me?
Yeah.
I'm the health inspector. I need to inspect.
Hey, banana, banana.
Can I go back and inspect?
Hey, nobody's speaking shit!
I'm
Stand
back
into
here.
your fine!
There's OSHA violations all over the place.
What's going on?
I'm not on the
Alright.
Why is there
What's up,
fridges?
man?
I'm gonna go
Yeah,
set up
please.
the store across the street. I'll tell you when it's done.
Remove the props.
Look, hold on.
What props?
the fuck is going on back here? What is happening?
The props that you're putting in here, I need you to
Can you
remove
hear
them,
me?
please. Yes, I can hear you.
How do I remove them?
I need you to remove the props.
What do I press?
I'm gonna go set up the same one across the street.
No, dude.
I
don't
press
do that.
Z.
I wanna... Oh. Well, I
Yeah,
wanna
just hit
renovate
Z to
this
get your
one,
props
man.
out.
Come on, man, this isn't...
It didn't work.
Come on.
This is mine. This is not man's.
Dude, I'm gonna fuck your shit up if you
It's
don't.
important.
You're going to what?
Well, I wanna give you
Gonna
this
fuck your
MP40.
mouth.
Open the thing, I'll drop
Why
it
would you
on.
do that? I'm the health inspector.
I can't. That's milkman.
Okay,
Hello?
I need you to remove the props, please.
Milkman, open the door.
Which props?
This is one of my really good friends. He's Australian. I mean New Zealand.
All your props, all of them.
Hey, Milkman.
How do you do that?
Dr.
Okay,
Cloud,
okay.
can you fucking ban him or
Okay.
something, please?
I'm serious. My Z key is bound to spawn a
Alright, yeah.
fridge.
This is pretty
I
amateur.
want to do that now. Now that you say that, I want to do that shit.
I undid all of the props.
Milkman, I can make you.
Why
I
am
can
I
make
dead?
you.
I'm the health inspector.
Yeah, you go do that.
Why am I here?
Okay, please
Got
remove the
grabbed by an
props.
I
Admiral
removed the
Rip.
props. The props are gone.
How do I get a job? What is this?
You can become a health inspector like me.
How did you do this?
Thank you. I'm the
I'll
health
see if I can do
inspector.
that.
I have to join.
Can you fuck off?
Can I inspect back there?
What is this store for?
Hey,
I'm
open up
dead.
this door.
I'm the health
How
inspector.
do you buy guns? How do you buy guns?
guns. Where you buy the gun. You drop the money, get
Can you
up
stop
the money.
shooting me? I would like to buy a gun. Can I buy a gun?
I want to
Hey,
build something bigger
KOS
than
health
that.
inspector.
Fucking kill me.
I'm
You're
outside.
fucking
I'm outside.
You're fucking breaking in all.
Hey yo,
I'm
you
not
wanna buy a
breaking
gun,
in.
bro?
I'm walking in
We
through
got
the
like
door.
really cheap guns, bro.
I
Bro,
can't.
we got like really cheap guns. Come on, come on, dog.
Republicans.
He just said kill on sight.
Alright.
Dog, I'm
We're
gonna
gonna
show
need
you
a
a gun
build
real
sign
quick. Come in.
outside.
Can you hear me?
We
I'm
should
gonna
come
turn
in.
this
Can
place
you hear
into a
me?
fucking
We should go into
monstrous
Can you
there.
hear me?
We should go in there.
Can you hear me?
Look, I
Hello?
can see a
Can you
gate
hear
in the
me?
wall, right?
Hello?
Let's see.
Can you hear me?
Oh god, a tray.
Hello?
I'm gonna buy a gun.
There we go.
Hello, admin.
Hey.
And I'm gonna build my own.
Wait, is this
Yeah,
the
that's-
admin? Hey, is this Dr.
And I
Juice?
can give you
Admin.
the
Hey, Dr.
admin.
Juice.
They're kill on sighting me
place
for
the
no
doors
reason.
down.
Hello. Can I buy a gun?
Report
What's
him.
up, man?
No, I'm
He's
gonna
right out
kill
there,
you, dude.
look.
You best back the fuck away from the building. I mean,
I
like
can't
straight
do
up
anything
back,
to him until
like
you
back,
report.
like go back, go black.
I buy a
go
gun?
back. That's right.
Go black. Let's
Gonna
go.
fuck
Go
your shit up.
black.
Can I buy a gun?
I'm gonna fuck your shit up. You get away from the building.
Yo.
I'm the health inspector.
What'd I tell you?
I'm the health inspector.
I apologize. That was accidental.
Nah.
I got an AK.
Yeah.
Can someone please let me in? I want to buy a gun.
That'd be sick.
What you need? You need an AK?
Can I have an AK?
Yeah, that sounds sick.
Can I buy an AK?
All right, bet. Drop the
Hey,
money.
Dr. Cloudy, can I shoot him through the window?
No. I'm the health inspector.
Mr. Cloudy? If you don't say anything, I'm gonna do it.
You can't shoot. There's a fridge blocking the window.
Thanks, homie.
Hello?
Alright, so. It is clear that you have no intent to roleplay.
I want to buy a gun.
You keep breaking rules.
I'm the health inspector. I want to inspect the building. Can I inspect? Can I inspect this man's building? Or can I buy like a gun at least? I want to buy a gun. I want to buy an AK. I'm just a health inspector, dude. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm looking at logs.
I'm the health inspector.